Hey, kitchen enthusiasts! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're starting a series on the Appaso kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer in brushed nickel. In this first video, we'll unbox it and share our initial impressions. Let's dive in. The ergonomic handle and sleek pull-down sprayer blend seamlessly, adding to its modern look. It's a great addition to any kitchen setup. In our next video, we'll dive into the key features and functionalities. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Family's health. Made of 304 stainless steel, Appaso kitchen faucets are rust-resistant and will not leave fingerprints. We carefully select food-grade materials to make your drinking water fresh and pure. Long lifetime quality. This brushed nickel kitchen faucet with soap dispenser has high-quality cartridge-tested 550,000 cycle, ensuring it is leak-proof and long-lasting, and PEX hose that resist high temperature. Multifunctional sprayer. The kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer has 3 modes: stream, spray, double broom, making cleanup easier. Steam for filling, spray for rinsing, double broom for washing. And you just need to press button to change the mode according to your need. Easy to operate. This faucet for kitchen sink with 360-degree swivel spout can cover the entire sink, enabling more effective cleaning of a larger area. And with single handle design, this kitchen faucet is easy to control water temperature and flow volume. Easy to install. This kitchen faucet with sprayer acquires only 4 simple steps within 20 minutes to install, as our package will come with all the mounting accessories and installation manual. No plumbers needed, and you will save money. Installation and performance. Now, let's install the Appaso kitchen faucet. Place the faucet into the sink holes and secure it with the provided mounting hardware. Tighten the nuts using the basin wrench. Next, connect the water supply lines to the corresponding hot and cold water valves. Apply plumber's tape to the threads to ensure a tight seal and prevent any leaks. Once everything is connected, turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. Pros and cons. Hey everyone, we're wrapping up our series on the Appaso kitchen faucet with our final thoughts and a rundown of the pros and cons. Pros. Stylish design. The brushed nickel finish and sleek lines make it a great addition to any kitchen. Functionality. 3 spray modes offer versatility for different tasks. Ease of installation. Comes with a quick connect system for easy DIY installation. Performance. Consistent water pressure and smooth operation. Cons. Height. The high arc design might not be ideal for kitchens with low hanging cabinets. Sprayer hose. The pull-down hose could be a bit longer for more reach. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons for this faucet. So there you have it, our review of the Appaso kitchen faucet. If you're looking for a stylish and functional upgrade, this faucet is a great choice. Thanks for following our series. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. See you in the next video.